Welcome to our roundup of the best drones under 249 grams. If you want lightweight, travel-friendly drones that dodge registration headaches while still delivering solid camera performance and simple flight controls, you are in the right place. We picked compact models that balance portability, flight stability, and intelligent features so you can capture smooth footage on the go. Check the description box below for the latest deals, and let us dive in and find the ideal lightweight drone for you. The first on the list is the Beexene E88 Evo. The E88 Evo is aimed at beginners who want something tiny and travelable, but with a few handy tricks. It folds down small and is easy to toss into a day pack, so you can take it on hikes or city outings without hassle. Flight stability is managed through optical flow sensors and altitude hold, which makes hovering steady even for new pilots learning the controls. The camera supports Wi-Fi FPV streaming to your phone, so you can frame shots in real time, and gesture control makes quick selfies and photos simple. Battery life is modest, but the small form factor means quick charging cycles and easy spare battery swaps. With compact folding portability, optical flow altitude hold, and Wi-Fi live FPV streaming, the E88 Evo is a no-fuss starter option for casual flyers and travelers who prioritize convenience. Overall, it is an approachable mini drone for beginners and casual content creators who want something pocketable and easy to fly. Next up is the KBDFA E99 Pro. The E99 Pro leans into versatility with a dual camera setup that gives you different angles for creative shots without swapping gear. It keeps things simple with one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode to avoid orientation confusion, and stable hover thanks to its altitude hold. The controller-to-phone streaming works reliably at short ranges, and the foldable arms make it travel-friendly. The E99 Pro is not trying to be a professional cine rig. Instead, it delivers fun, flexible shooting modes and enough stability to learn acrobatics or capture casual footage. With dual camera flexibility, easy one-key controls, and a foldable travel frame, the E99 Pro is a strong value pick. Overall, it's a practical hobbyist drone for anyone who wants a bit more creative angle control without the weight or complexity of larger systems. Next, we have the Potensic Atom SE. The Atom SE punches above its weight with features normally found on larger drones. It uses brushless motors for quieter, more efficient flight and better wind resistance, while GPS and optical flow combine for rock-steady positioning. The camera records clean footage, and stabilization tech helps keep clips usable straight out of the sky. Long combined flight time from two batteries means more shooting and fewer interruptions, and intelligent modes like follow me and circle around make capturing dynamic shots much easier. The chassis folds compactly for travel, and the takeoff/landing behavior is forgiving for newcomers. With brushless motor performance, GPS plus optical flow stability, and long combined flight time, the Atom SE is an excellent mid-range lightweight option. Overall, it offers real performance and filming capability for travelers and creators who want quality footage without extra weight. Next is the E88 Pro Wi-Fi FPV. The E88 Pro focuses on giving immediate in-flight viewing with its reliable Wi-Fi FPV link and smartphone integration. It makes flying approachable by offering stable altitude hold, headless mode, and one-button return, so you can concentrate on framing shots instead of constant course correction. The foldable design and protective prop guards help it survive learning crashes, and the camera produces friendly social media clips that are fine for vlog intros or quick aerial clips. It is an affordable and user-friendly choice when you need a straightforward FPV experience with simple sharing. With Wi-Fi FPV integration, stable altitude hold, and one-button return, the E88 Pro is a comfortable step up for anyone wanting live views without extra complexity. Overall, it's a dependable everyday flyer for quick captures and ease of use. The last one on our list is the Potensic Atom 2. The Atom 2 aims to deliver the highest recording quality and flight refinement in this group. Its 3-axis gimbal keeps footage buttery smooth, even when the wind picks up, and the brushless motor system ensures precise, responsive handling for cinematic moves. Dual battery capability extends total flight time, so you can complete shoots without swapping too often, and GPS with reliable return to home provides extra confidence when exploring new locations. Advanced tracking and automated shot modes let you get professional-looking clips without a steep learning curve, and the folding design keeps the whole package travelable. With 3-axis gimbal stabilization, brushless motor responsiveness, and dual battery extended flight, the Atom 2 stands out as the top performer in this under 249-gram class. Overall, it is the best pick for creators who need superior video quality and stable flight in a lightweight, portable package. So that wraps up our list of the best drones under 249 grams. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear roundups and honest reviews. All product links and up-to-date pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.